Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3Movers cheap Sept-Iles local and long-distance movers near me. Are you ready to hire a cheap Sept-Iles moving company for your local or long-distance move? 3Movers offers the best team for your specific needs. Our movers are not only affordable, but also very dependable with a great reputation. We offer plenty of options to make it easy for you to move fast and easy. You will get the right options when you choose us for your long-distance move, including packing services, moving supplies, an on-time move, and upfront pricing. We provide you with the right options to relocate 100 miles, 500 miles, or even further. Our team of long-distance movers will help you get to where you need to go. With our help, you can easily complete a long-distance move. Are you trying to find a Canada moving company to help with your local move? Do you want to avoid all that heavy lifting and the possibility of an injury? The right local movers will make a huge difference. 3Movers offers the right options to help you with your move. Our team will provide you with plenty of options to make your move super simple. If you want to move faster and easier, we are the team for you. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Sept-Iles moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So, what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.